My name is Irisaida Méndez. I am a patient advocate with Oncology, and we also partner with Univision Foundation. Basically, what we talked about was all about patient experience, how to put the human side of research tied up together to pretty much share how to enhance and improve the relationship between the clinical sites, the recruitment, and also the post-research experience, weaving it into not just the patient, but the families and the caregivers. It was 2017 when I first got diagnosed with cancer. By 2018, it had metastasized from the uterus to the pleura, the mediastinum, and the lungs. I went through the whole process of dancing around death, and where chemo would not be working anymore, and I got offered the last resort that at the time was a drug that was on trial. It actually came up to less than 3 sessions, and I was already no evidence of disease. So right after that time, 2 years after, throughout the process, I got also into the selection of, after 2 years, stop the treatment because we're checking on how effective the drug is after and how long it lasts in the body. And it's been 4 years since that time. So I say that my experience doesn't define me, but my voice helps create hope to others, and also I've realized that also creates not just for the patient voice, but also to the clinical side, a good liaison for them to understand the extent of what they do. I pretty much say research saved my life, and because of that, I give back to them not just a thank you, but a perspective on another side of the puzzle. I think this has been one of the most engaged audience that I have talked to throughout my time as a patient advocate. There was full active participation. There was, I could say, everyone was paying attention. And when the speech was done and they were asking for questions, I had more than 8 hands that were raised up. That for me, the more questions they asked, that's for me a success rate, because they are interested in what I was talking about and they wanted to talk more about it. Well, I am really happy about this conference. I think one of the biggest things that I've seen about this is the opportunities of partnerships. When it comes to the new regulations of the FDA that are coming up to create underserved communities, not just Oncology, but the Univision Foundation part is really, really strong about creating cultural tailored experience that can actually go into the Hispanics, which is one of the priorities that the FDA is doing. So the relationship between all the participants, all the people that are here exhibiting, and has been a good connection for us to accelerate our mission of, being a voice for serving the Hispanic community.